natten til 26. februar blev 613 vilde mennesker myrdet af mennesketerrorister. 63 af de vilde mennesker var børn. Vi er i dag samlet her for at stå imod den armenske terrorisme. Dagen i dag vil jeg vilde mennesker stadig myrdet af armenske snigskytter over grænsen. De kræfter består primært af ældre mennesker, kvinder og børn. På trods af alt det her, foregår verden stadig stille. Ifølge en beslutning, som FN har foretaget, skulle det armenske støtte have trukket sig tilbage fra det besatte område. Men det er det ikke sket endnu. Vores ønske er, at de kære danskere ønsker også støtte denne sag for rettigheds- og menneskeheds skyld.
On February the 25th to the 26th in 1992, armed Armenian forces with help from Russian troops attacked Karabakh in Azerbaijan. The forces attacked from 3 different directions, creating an inescapable nightmare. In one night, there were killed 613 civilians, including 106 women and 83 children. These innocent civilians experienced excruciating amounts of pain as the army forces tortured them in the most barbaric ways possible. Corpses got mutilated to unrecognizability. Their skin were ripped off. Skulls were slashed and torn to pieces. Families tried to escape in the cold winter night, but there was no way out. The incident was one of the biggest genocides of the 21st century. However, the world turned a blind eye. The UN had 4 resolutions which mandate Azerbaijan guard their own land. But still to this day, Karabakh is under Armenian occupation, even though the area belongs to Azerbaijan. Where is justice for these innocent people?